Today we're going to discuss how to display an image from the internet. So to start with, we'll need some URLs to actually work with. I've gone ahead and grabbed some images here that have some URLs, and what we'll do to start with is inside of our image example, we'll just create a final list of the URLs. And then we'll go ahead and paste each one in. And I'll just go ahead for your sake and toggle word wrap. Okay, so we've got our list of URLs here. So now what we're going to do is we're going to create, first of all, a center view so that we keep everything centered. So now we're going to actually create all of the images from the URLs. So we're going to start by first creating a function that returns a widget, which will ultimately be a list view so that we'll have a scrollable list of content. We're going to go ahead and create a function here called build image scroll view, which will have a parameter of build context. We don't use that here, but typically it's a good idea of passing that in. So we'll start by creating an array of widgets. So this is a cool trick to be able to dynamically render the widgets that you want to render in the Flutter app. And our ultimate return value for a widget will be a list view, and the children of the list view will be what we dynamically add. So in this case, we're going to do a simple for loop, a for each loop for each URL that we've put into our array. And then we're going to go ahead and add an Image.network object to the list of widgets. And finally, we're going to go ahead and add build image scroll view as a child of our center. So if we navigate back over to the simulator, you'll be able to see that 3 of the images are displayed, loaded from the network, and we can scroll vertically.